Hello guys, welcome back. So today we have a very special unboxing of the much awaited Formula 1 Racing 2024. As you can see, this is the newest all that I have. This is August, month and year of import is August 2025. Earlier this has come up, but I have got this with this set. This is a Hotwheels motor show. So this is Aston Martin, Ferrari, Ford, Lambo, Huracan and Lotus. So all the cars are here. So this is the newest. This and this looks sick. All the cars here are real casting and the colors looks seemingly good. And this is the Fast and Furious one. So this is Fast and Furious, Tokyo Drift and all those. So this is the Dodge Viper and the Plymouth and all those you can see. Porsche, Plymouth and Nissan's Silvia. So all these are here. So we'll check this out on some other days. But today is the day for Formula 1 racing. So I know many of you guys are waiting for this set. I hope you also get the chance to collect this, because the castings are pretty good. Let's unbox. Here, as you can see, this is the all the cars. First we'll go with the McLaren. So even though all the casting looks familiar, they're nice and has got some weight also. This is the Lando Norris team, I guess. Formula 1 collection, sweet. So the next one, Alpine. All these are from the Formula 1 collection series. Very nice. The next one is the Visa, suppose PB or something. This logo we can see on the Red Bull also. So yeah, this is the Formula 1 collections car. Super. This is the Kick Super Formula 1 team. Very nice. You can see the driver heads here. By the way, foremost and important thing is these are not the premium lines that we have seen getting the recent release on the Formula 1 premium release. So these are not that, but anyway these itself are very nice. And this is the Haas F1 team, sponsored by MoneyGram. So as you can see, in black it looks great. So these are the 5 cars that we have from this set. So these are the 5 cars that we have from this set. Very nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Kindly share it with your friends in the community, or whoever is interested in collecting the die cast. The 5 cars are very nice. I wish you a happy hunting and collecting the cars. So by the way, giving a roll test, very nice. If you don't play with cars, sometimes it doesn't feel the same way, like only collecting and not playing. So rolling, giving that feel on the hand, all these things are very much important for me, at least. If you want to keep it carded, you can keep it, no complaint on that part, but I just want to feel the cars. That's what I am buying it for. Anyway, thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Happy collecting.